Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Mihlali Ndamase, the content creator and businesswoman, has been trending ever since her relationship with a businessman Leroy Sitambe came out in public. Their relationship has been stealing the spotlight #1 on the Twitter street. Some envy the life of Mihlali she is living. Others are bashing her and calling her a homewrecker. Leroy Sitambe also catches bullets there and there for dating Mihlali while he's still married to Mayrjane. And a lot has been said. Hey, Musakaula posted 2 images of Mihlali on vacation and Mayrjane on vacation on the same place in Mauritius and captioned, Mihlali Ndamase and Leroy Sitambe are at the same location in Mauritius where Mayrjane and Leroy Sitambe went in 2018 to celebrate his birthday. Some trips were not impressed at all, and others don't see anything wrong with it. One trip replied to Musa and said, Yo, Mihlali is reliving Mayrjane's life. Mihlali is a rebound, and this man is either trying to use Mihlali as a weapon to get to Mayrjane, or this guy is recreating Mayrjane in Mihlali. I'm sure he didn't even change beddings and how he want his head sucked because there's no way. Another one said, in a few years to come, we will be watching a story of how she was abused, but get asingeni dao. Another one didn't see anything wrong that Leroy is doing and said, so he's banned from going to places he once went to with his ex. This man is rich, he probably went to half of the nice places you can think of. So where is he supposed to vacation? No Mimi. And Konka, now guys, there's a huge dispute about this relationship that is going on in the Twitter streets. Do you think Leroy did Mihlali dirty by going in the same location where he once took his wife to? Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.